Hello crypto enthusiasts! Are you eager to explore the exciting world of copy trading on Bingx? Buckle up as we dive deep into the mechanics of this innovative feature that empowers you to replicate the trades of seasoned traders, potentially maximizing your profits while minimizing risks. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unravel the intricacies of Bingx's copy trading, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate this realm like a pro. So, let's get started. Copy trading, also known as social trading or mirror trading, is a revolutionary concept that allows traders of all levels, from novices to experts, to capitalize on the expertise of successful traders. By leveraging Bingx's copy trading feature, you can automatically mirror the trading strategies and positions of top-performing traders, enabling you to benefit from their skills and experience without extensive research or analysis on your part. The process begins with identifying the traders you wish to follow, often referred to as strategy providers or signal providers. Bingx's platform offers a dedicated section where you can browse through a pool of skilled traders, each with their own unique trading style, risk appetite, and track record. You can evaluate their performance metrics such as profit ratios, maximum drawdowns, and historical returns to make an informed decision on whom to follow. Once you've selected your preferred strategy providers, you can allocate a portion of your trading capital to replicate their trades automatically. Bingx's copy trading system seamlessly executes the same trades as your chosen providers, replicating their entry and exit points, as well as position sizes, in real time. This automation eliminates the need for manual order placement, freeing you from the burden of constant monitoring and decision-making. Importantly, copy trading on Bingx allows you to maintain full control over your account. You can adjust your risk exposure by modifying the amount of capital allocated to each strategy provider, or even pause or stop copying a particular trader at any time. This flexibility ensures that you remain in the driver's seat, tailoring your investment approach to align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. One of the key advantages of Bingx's copy trading system is its transparency. The platform provides detailed performance statistics and trading histories for each strategy provider, enabling you to make informed decisions based on their track records. Additionally, you can filter providers based on various criteria such as asset class, trading strategy, risk level, and more, ensuring that you find traders who align with your preferences. It's worth noting that while copy trading can potentially yield lucrative returns, it also carries inherent risks. Like any investment strategy, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, and losses can occur. Bingx strongly recommends conducting thorough research, understanding the risks involved, and implementing proper risk management techniques when engaging in copy trading. To get started with Bingx's copy trading feature, simply sign up for an account using the referral code 911 and navigate to the copy trading section. From there, you can explore the available strategy providers, assess their performance, and initiate the copying process with a few clicks. Remember, copy trading is not a passive investment strategy. It requires active monitoring and adjustment as market conditions evolve. Bingx's user-friendly interface and comprehensive educational resources are designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate this exciting realm successfully. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash the power of copy trading on Bingx and embark on a journey where you can leverage the expertise of top traders, potentially amplifying your profitability in the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. If you have any further questions or require assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to Bingx's dedicated support team. They are available 24/7 to provide guidance and ensure a seamless copy trading experience. Happy trading, and may the markets be ever in your favor.